Introducing Dexter's DEX360 Smart Trailer System. Nothing can put a damper on a trip than discovering a flat tire. With DEX360, you will be notified via the app of low tire pressure when it happens. This allows you to address the problem before it becomes an emergency. Being notified of a tire losing pressure provides you peace of mind while traveling or prior to leaving on a trip. This groundbreaking solution gives drivers the peace of mind that their trailer is secure and operating safely. With Dexter leading the market space with advanced technologies and bringing automotive technologies to the trailer industry, DEX360 brings safety, security, innovation, and convenience to your trailer. From a virtual odometer and geofencing security with GPS tracking, to safety monitoring of crucial components like battery levels and tire pressure, Dexter is the first to market with a comprehensive automotive-style safety and security system for trailers. With DEX360, you will have the peace of mind that your trailer is safe and secure.